Why did I choose this spec? Because when you're dealing with one's 250 Newton meters of torque, you don't choose randomly. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to DriveSphere. Standing next to me right now is not just any AMG. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT63 S E-Performance, and yes, it's absolutely insane. This is officially the most powerful AMG ever made. We're talking 80-16 horsepower, 250 Nm of torque, and a ZO 100 km time of just 2.8 seconds. That's supercar territory. In a luxury GT that weighs over 200 kilograms. I went for a spec that's relatively standard, but visually it just works perfectly. The selenite gray paint, combined with these golden AMG forged rims, looks brutal yet elegant. Behind the wheels, you'll notice the glossy black carbon, ceramic brakes. And trust me, you need these. With this much power and weight, stopping performance is just as important as acceleration. This car is a hybrid monster. Electric motor at the rear, small electric motor at the front, massive V8. Doing the heavy lifting, all of that comes together to deliver ridiculous performance. Today, I'll show you the driving characteristics of this car here near Lake Constance, right on the German-Swiss border. One of the most beautiful places to test a GT like this. Around the back, you'll immediately notice the extra charging port, just like on the AMG GT4 door. The flush door handles fold out automatically, and once inside, foot on the brake, start button pressed. And listen to that. It starts in full electric mode. You can drive around 13 kilometers fully electric. But let's be honest, that's not why this car exists. This is all about performance. On the side, we have the V8 Biturbo E-Performance badge, and at the rear, the even more aggressive E-Performance emblem. Let me turn the steering wheel so you can properly admire these rims. And now, spoiler up. No aero package on this one, and I actually love that. It keeps the car more luxurious and clean, rather than overly aggressive. At the back, chrome AMG lettering, GT63 S badge in red gloss, black diffuser, quad exhaust tips. Now let's hear what this thing really sounds like. Switching to Sport Plus, that sound never gets old. This is exactly what AMG stands for. Brutal performance, emotional sound, and insane speed. Imagine this, you leave home early in the morning, driving fully electric, silent, respectful. Then later on the Autobahn, you're doing 300 kilometers with a roaring V8 soundtrack. That contrast is what makes this car special. Let's pop the bonnet. One man, one engine. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, beautifully covered, with the hybrid system working behind the scenes. Top speed is electronically limited, but with the performance package, that limit disappears. Now the trunk, yes. The battery does reduce space significantly. You've got room for about one travel bag, maybe two if you remove the cover. It's not practical. But again, that's not the point. Charging port sits neatly under this flap, just like the Ford door. Alright guys, let's drive. We start in comfort mode, and once again, fully electric, complete silence. Perfect for city driving and neighborhoods. Sunroof open, houses around us, no sound drama. But now, Sport Plus. Let's do a quick pull. 0 to 70 km/h, that is violent. Let's do it again. Absolutely insane. The pops, the bangs, the instant torque. This car doesn't feel heavy at all, even though it is. At traffic lights, the augmented reality navigation appears, projecting arrows directly onto the road. The portrait-style screen. I love it. It's clean, modern, and extremely sharp. On the Autobahn, the power delivery is relentless. Yes, it weighs over 200 kg, but once you feel that torque, you forget the numbers completely. Cornering is surprisingly agile. Now, one thing I don't love, when you press the throttle lightly, the electric motor kicks in first, and that slightly kills the drama. In lower gears, the V8 responds faster and feels more natural. Also, there's no traditional exhaust button anymore. Instead, we have a sound enhancement system, which adds artificial noise through the speakers. I'm not a fan of that, but if you ignore it, the real exhaust sound, especially on downshifts, is absolutely glorious. Ambient lighting flows beautifully across the doors and air vents. The steering wheel is flat bottom, Alcantara everywhere except the center, and a massive Mercedes star. Race mode stiffens everything even more. Suspension, throttle, response. Fun fact, even while standing still in park, you can use electric power. Something I've never seen before. Battery level actually increased during spirited driving thanks to recuperation. AMG bucket seats up front, 2 seats in the back. Or you can spec it as a strict 2-seater. This interior is pure performance luxury. So guys, thank you so much for watching DriveSphere. This was the Mercedes-AMG GT63 S E-Performance, a car that proves you can have electric efficiency and brutal performance in one package. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. DriveSphere, where performance meets reality. Bye-bye.